Hello, this is Michael Kinsler from Qtellwholesale.ie, and I'm showing you how to manage a new e-commerce shopping cart, saving you thousands of pounds. So we're moving on now to adding a new product. Now just remember, I've got all these categories already added, so these categories will be here for you. Or you can actually put in your own categories. And it's very straightforward. When you want to add a category, you just select it. So it won't be anything in here whatsoever. So we'll just take that off. So we just put in the product ID. This will go into the category that you want. So let's select a category, and I've already done this. Into test, and we want to select a subcategory. So we go into Y. So we've already built the test one, and then we can add in exactly identical subcategory in there. So now we have two categories. If I want to add it to multiple, just say for instance you've got a multiple categories in here, hold down the control button, it says it here, hold down the control key and select multiple categories. So you hold it down, and the more you click, you can enter that product. If I take my finger off, it goes into the one. So I've actually done this already, and it's exactly full of extra in here thrown in. So I've already added a product, so I will manage the products. And I've actually called it test 1. It's a HDMI splitter, and I'll show you exactly how to add a new product. So you're basically on your home, you're actually on that page which I was showing you earlier on. And we're just waiting for this to come up. So I've actually called it test 1. So we'll go in there and we'll find that product which I put in. This can be done. You can find your products all the time from here. Now, if you can't find it from there, what you do is then, I've actually entered the wrong words there, so you have to be precise with the wording. You can actually go by category and sort by product name and all that. So here we go. Click on it. Again, you have the icons to the side, and it's available, yes, and that's the price on it. I'll just wait for this to come up. So now this is this product here, and I'm going to click into it there. Now I've added the pictures, and I've added some text. So if you, there's the top line on the price, and you've actually got it for sale. So it's €70, and that's there. You got your add to cart, shopping cart, and that's basically your product which you're going to add now. So we're just out of the way. So now here we go. So we found out we want to put it into Z test, the product, and then we can pick out whatever categories we want to pick it into. So I could have all categories or just a select few. So this is the product ID, which is called test 1, and the product name, you enter whatever your product name is. The meta keywords, again, you change that, which I would do now. So you enter wholesale, products, and remember the comma again, wholesale products. Sorry, I made a mistake there. Take that out. Electronics. 6 keywords. That's all you need in there. And then your title will be Test Demo Wholesale, which will come up in here, the category, and there as well. So whatever I enter there comes out here. Now, we now do not assign manufacturer. So we're not going to. You can actually assign the manufacturer, or you can't. This we haven't assigned the manufacturer in this case. Priority, you can actually have this when you put it onto your home page. You can actually have it up and down the top of your home page, the bottom of your home page, the middle of the home page. This would be the priority on it. I normally just keep it all priorities at 0, and it will save you a lot of hassle. The item price, which I showed you earlier on, which was 190. Just make that slightly bigger. 199, 129, saving you 70 euros. This is what the customer sees. So there you go. When you enter here the sale price, that's what it comes out as. If I was to call for price, you take out these completely. Now, you've already set up your tax. So whatever country you've bought the website for, we've actually set up the tax for you. So there's no need. Is this item taxable? Yes or no? That's value added tax. Select taxes class, and we can have it not assigned to general, but general is the way you go. In this case, we have free shipping. So if you don't have free shipping, you set it all up in here. And you will notice then minimum, maximum order quantity in order. So I can have this up at 1,000. And you will notice here that it comes up as 1 in here. If I was to put 1,000 in here, it will be 1,000. And if I put 1,000 here, it means I have to order 1,000 at the price which you specify. So moving on, is a product available? Yes. Mark it as a hot deal, and a hot deal means that there will be a little symbol below it saying hot deal, and you can actually take that off and on whatever you want. Show product on home page, yes or no? I haven't on this case because it's only due for test. Quick overview, and that will come out in here. You can write in as much text as you want there. In there, quick overview, that's it there. And then we're back to our same thing as category. Now just take that out. Add this back in. And we're just waiting for this to come up. And the best thing for you to do to practice on this first. And you've come up with the same thing as what you did in the categories and product overview, which you will see there. And you can put your text and images if you want to have hyperlinks on buttons. And then you browse for your image. You enter the image. And then you save. And that's how you add your products. So now that when you save it, that product is now live on the internet. And you can test that every time you do a new product. Okay, this is Michael Kinsler from Qtellwholesale. Moving on, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.